Join me on my ingredient journeys. This is where I tell the story of some of the raw materials that we use in Rain products, where they are sourced, the people behind them, and the journey to find them. Today I'm heading towards the coast, to the southernmost indigenous forest in Africa. This rare and special place is the source of our African tree mists, made from the heart and essence of the wild trees that occur in this forest. This is the tree whisperer, the custodian of this unique place. She is the maker of our tree mist range, made directly from all the parts of these forest trees to fully capture their healing properties. The leaves, bark, seeds, roots, sap, fruit and flowers are all used and distilled on site from the indigenous forest species like hard pear, bush olive, wild peach and milkwood. These tree mists don't only smell wonderful, but there is a science behind them called Japanese forest therapy. This comes from studies done in 2005 in Tokyo with 2 different universities, where they found that feelings of comfort and release can only be achieved if we are in synchrony with nature via our senses. These studies in Japan were taken in forest areas where they took severely stressed businessmen for 3 days into the forest on a program called forest bathing. Their immune systems were tested before they went into the forest on many levels and then recorded when they came out of the forest. The test showed that 12.4% decrease occurred in stress hormone cortisol, 7% decrease in the sympathetic nerve activity, 1.4% decrease in blood pressure, 5.8% decrease in their heart rates, and their NK cells increased by 40%. NK cells are the killer immune cells that occur in our body. They send self-destruct messages to tumors and virus-infected cells, which are caused by stress, aging, and pesticides. These things reduce your NK count. The results were puzzling to the Japanese scientists, but further studies showed them that the NK count is increased through aromatic volatile substances or scents called phytoncides. These are pinene, limonene, and aerosols emitted by trees. The Japanese identified that in city areas where there are parks, there is a certain amount of these phytoncides in the atmosphere. But to really get a full dose into your body of phytoncides, you need to be in the forest or using a substitute like the tree mists. These tree mists can be purchased in any Rain store. Just spritz your face for a refreshing blitz of the forest onto your skin.